Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the latest update of the free coin. What's going on in the free coin, my friends? My friends, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now it is time in the market. The free coin price is 0.00001 USD dollar. That is the current price of the free coin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in the free coin, so now the last 1 hour, changes of the free coin is positive. The 1 day change is negative. 1 week change is positive, my friends. So sometimes the changes of this free coin is positive and sometimes the changes is negative, my friends. But now the latest situation, the change is positive, my friends. My friends, you know what? What's the reality of free coin? Free coin max millionaire, I'm sure. My friends, free coin price is very low. Free coin price is very low, and you know what? The future of free coin is very bright. Future of free coin is very bright, my friends. My technical analysis, my price prediction, my research about free coin tell us that free coin is the future Cardano. Absolutely, it takes time, but the price of free coin will highly increase. 5 USD dollar. 5 USD dollar is my target for free coin in 2022. That is my target for a free coin. Anyways, what is your target? What is your opinion about free coin? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.